Okay, the third component of this gasifier is the fuel hopper. This is nothing more than another empty drum. You look inside, there's a slope bottom. This holds the fuel that is dispensed into the reactor by this is a gear reducing motor. This pipe has an auger in it. And the fuel that I put in here gets augered into the reactor and therefore supplements the charcoal with whatever fuel I'm using in here. And by toggling this switch, it augers it into it. Okay, let's start the reactor. It will take about 5 minutes by the time I light this until I can start the generator, which I have sitting on the floor. To start it, I turn on the fan, and this creates a draft pulling oxygen into this hole. And I feel air blowing out there. I think I got my polarity backwards. Using a quick match, this is a piece of cotton string soaked in black powder. Burns very hot. I drop it down the tube, and what's going in there is lighting the charcoal that's around that nozzle. You'll see smoke starting to blow out of here. This is the hose I'm going to use to take this wood gas to the engine. This contains carbon monoxide. Be very careful of it. Your blood would rather have carbon monoxide attached to your hemoglobin than oxygen. So this can kill you over time. So I'm in a large building here, and there's a lot of air, so it's something you must always be aware of when messing with wood gas. So the fire's burning in there really well. And let me talk to you. Okay. The charcoal is burning there quite brightly, and actually I'm adding chunks of wood to this hot fire in there. And the reason is wood has hydrogen in it. Charcoal does not have hydrogen. So when I add wood chunks, I'm actually adding hydrogen to this reaction, which makes more hydrogen in the wood gas, which makes it more volatile and easy to burn. We'll do a test flare here. And you can see it's starting to ignite. When the flame can be sustained, the gas is then rich enough to burn inside the generator or whatever vehicle you want to burn it in. This size gasifier is able to run up to a 40 horsepower engine. This is the same size I have on my Volkswagen Beetle. It can run smaller engines. This is a 2-cylinder 1.5 kilowatt. I'm not sure how many horsepower it is. Maybe 16. Okay, that gas is now rich enough so we can start the engine. So I'm going to shift the valve and turn off the fan. Now this is a rope start. Electric starts are much nicer. And I'm going to add a little bit of gasoline into the carburetor. Now you notice the wood gas comes in here. This is my air mixing valve to get the correct amount of oxygen to mix with the wood gas to run the engine. And this I will adjust. which you can do by ear. But right now I'm going to put a little bit of gasoline in here to get the engine starting so it can pull the gas through the system. The reason I had trouble starting it is I had the throttle cutbacks in